Alright, so the next procedure is to construct the Schmitt Trigger. Okay, so this is the circuit to be constructed. As you can see, a minor modification need to be made. So ensure that you have two resistors here, in which the value that you use for your resistor is based on your pre-lab, or you can basically assume the values. Okay, so pin number 3 from your 741 will be connected over here, right? And make sure your supply goes to your inverting input. Okay, so this is the circuit which have been constructed, right? So kindly ensure that the construction of circuit can be made as simple as such. You are avoiding the usage of many jumper wire, right? So now when you are doing experiment on Schmitt Trigger, you know the expectation now is that the output should be square wave. Okay, so we are supplying the sine wave with 1 kilohertz, and the peak value is basically up to your choice, right? So now we are supplying the circuit with the 10 volts, and as you can see from the oscilloscope, you can clearly differentiate between channel 1 and channel 2. Channel 1 yellow color, meaning your input, that is sine wave, and your output is basically green color. Alright, so how are you going to check your waveform? Over here is basically the correct one. It is basically based on your calculation, right? It's based on your calculation in which you have the value of your LTP and also HTP, alright? The one that basically controlling the threshold of your waveform, right? So that would be the output for your Schmitt trigger.